Okay? After entering the system, at this time, let's take a look at the prompt on the mobile phone that the battery is exhausted. It will close in 30 seconds. So this is the battery charge. The battery is dead. Is it true that the battery is dead? Let's take a look here. Above the measuring point, it can be measured that the current battery voltage is 3.94 volts. 3.94 volts battery voltage. Well, it's impossible to say the battery is dead. So at this time, we can be sure that there is an abnormality in the battery detection line of the main board. Okay, let's open the check. Innovative Maintenance Assistant. Then open the blueprint of HONOR 60. On the right side of the drawing, we have our feature page. We can take a look on the function page. There is a line classification. After we click on it, select the charging unit. And over here, we have the battery test, battery testing, according to the previous analysis. We believe that this fault phenomena is caused by the abnormality of the battery voltage detection line. We can choose some corresponding line names. For example, the fifth item is the battery initial voltage detection. We can just click. The bright red one on the bitmap is the whole one. This corresponds to some lines, and then the components that are highlighted are those components that are related to it. Then this component is the power detection chip. It will cause the failure phenomena we just had. So apart from this, we can also click on the cell on the right. Then by clicking on the unit, some maintenance notes that are known and relevant to the entire unit can be displayed. We call it a repair tip. So here, looking at these two components will cause the battery to fail to detect the charging mark. The power is inaccurate and other faults. So later, we can focus on these two chips. These two elements are observed. What about this power detection chip? It's a protective inductor, and then zoom in to take a look. Ah, this bottom corner. The bottom corner of the pad. There should be residue. What about this inductor? There should be traces of burning. What's next? We reload the chip. Then the inductor is shorted. Let's see if the fault can be solved later. Okay, so down there, we're under the microscope. Short this inductor, and then what? Perform a homing for this chip. All right. After the operation is completed, we will install the machine for testing. After entering the system, there is no more pop-up prompt for 30-second shutdown. At the same time, the battery percentage is displayed at this time as 55%. There is already a normal percentage display. So this machine was easily solved by us during the entire maintenance process. We have made full use of some ideas provided by Geek Innovative Maintenance Assistant and his repair notes. And that really helped us narrow it down very quickly. We found our fault line